Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. You will be good. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Zaini from Voice School. Okay, students, let's come back to this lesson. Do you remember that what we have done yesterday? We have done past indefinite tense. So all those actions that you perform recently, आपने जो recently काम किया हो वो past indefinite में आता है. So students, you can share me any picture that you have done recently, all those actions that you have done recently. If your activity is good, then I will post that activity in a group as well. Okay? तो आपने जो भी recently काम किया हो उसकी picture भेज दें, then I will show that in the group. So that activity must be some positive action. Okay? And then let's come back to the lesson. Past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense, we use the second form of the verb with all the pronouns and nouns. So you see that which form of verb we use in past indefinite tense? Yes, second form of verb. Here are some examples. We ate food. Sorry, he ate food. We took the bus. She bought a TV's scooty. It ate all the grass. They made fortune. I sent them back. Amir made a paper boat. Boys wept a lot. Keys dropped from my pocket. You met him. So can you tell me that what are the second form of verbs here? Ate, took, bought. Ate again, made, sent, made, wept, dropped. You met him. So these all are second form of verbs. In past indefinite tense only, we use the second form. So this is the identification of past indefinite tense in English, that we use second form of verb in this tense. Now let's move towards its formation, that how we form this tense. This is very simple tense. Let's start with the positive form, in which there is no question, in which there is no denial, like it is not negative, not interrogative. So positive form is after subject you have to add simply the second form of verb, like I started, you started, he started, she started, like this. Simply after subject you have to add second form of verb and past indefinite. Now the negative form, how to make its negative structure? We add helping verb here, did not. So do you know that which helping verb we use? Yes, I have told you recently that we use did not helping verb in past indefinite tense. Keep in mind that what is the helping verb of past indefinite for negative and interrogative? Did, yes. So for negative, we will use did not. Like I did not start, or he did not start, or they did not start. So like this. And then question form or interrogative sentence. In this sentence, we add did or the helping verb in the start of the sentence. So did here comes in the start, and then subject, and in the last comes first form of verb. Always keep in mind that after did we you have to use the first form. Can you see that in simple sentence of past indefinite we have used the second form of verb, but after did we have used first form of verb. So you have to make your mind very clear. You have to keep this thing, these kind of rules memorized. You have to memorize them, that in past indefinite only did is helping verb, and this helping verb did is used for negative sentences and interrogative sentences. When we make its simple form, we never use any kind of helping verb, but helping verb is used for negative and interrogative, and after helping verb we use first form of verb. So here A simple sentence structure is given that we add first subject, then second form of verb, and then in the last comes object. Zahra ne darwaza band kiya. Here is an example. Zahra closed the door. So can you tell me what is the which form of verb we have used? Closed. So it represents that एक्शन हैज़ डन रिसेंटली, अभी अभी जो काम हुआ है उसके उर्दू में लास्ट में आता है अलिफ या बड़ी ए या छोटी ए, छोटी ए. So for that we use the second form of verb. Zahra closed the door. Ali offered the prayer. So can you see offered is the second form which represents that this is past indefinite tense. So here the negative structure of past indefinite is given, that how we form its negative sentence. You know that what are negative sentences in which we deny something, in which there is nahi used word for Urdu translation. जब उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन में नहीं का लफ्ज़ आ जाए या किसी चीज़ से इनकार किया जाता है, फॉर दैट वी यूज़ डिड नॉट एंड past indefinites negative sentences. So for that, subject के बाद after subject we add helping verb did not, and after did not we always use first form. So remember this, that after did you have to use first form of verb, and then in the last comes object. So is this clear? Here are some examples. He did not like movies. Alia did not wash dishes. Kids did not finish homework. So, in these sentences, can you tell me that which helping verb is used? Yes, did not, did not, did not. So, here it represents that this is past indefinite tense, and after did not, like is used. So, negative sentence identification is did not. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट के नेगेटिव सेंटेंस की जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन है वो डिड नॉट है, एंड डिड नॉट के बाद हम हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. कैन यू सी दैट आई हैव encircled फर्स्ट फॉर्म here like, wash, finished, finish, sorry. So here is the negative sentence structure. Now move towards its interrogative sentence structure. So in interrogative, we add helping verb in the start. So did is the helping verb. So we will write did in the start, then subject, and then first form of verb, and in the last comes object. Like, did he help his brother? Did she take the class? Did you learn the lesson? So in these sentences, did helping verb is used in the start, then we have used subject, then first form of verb, and in the last we have used object. Is this clear? Did, subject, verb, then object. In the last we have to add question mark. This is compulsory for interrogative sentences. So here once again structure is given of simple, negative and interrogative sentences. Like, we visited Lahore. We visited Lahore. We did not visit Lahore. Did we visit Lahore? So you see that in simple sentence we have simply added visited, but for negative we have add did not visit. So after did not you have to use first form of verb. Remember this point. Remember this rule, that after did we have to use first form of verb. And then in question sentences and interrogative sentences, did comes in the start. Did we visit Lahore? In the end, question mark. So here is the homework for you. He went to school. वो school गया. He did not go to school. So after did, went will change into first form. Okay, go. Did he go to school? Question sentence, question mark. उन्होंने हमको तोहफा दिया. They gave us gift. They did not give us a gift. Did they give us a gift? I'm emphasizing on the verb, okay, so that you can understand it, that for simple sentence we will use second form, but when we will make its negative or interrogative, We will use the first form after did, okay? मैंने हाथ डाक में डाला. I posted the letter. I did not post the letter. Did I post the letter? You invited me on tea. You did not invite me on tea. Did you invite me on tea? Students told the lesson. Students did not tell a lesson. Did students tell a lesson? So here are examples. You have to do it on your copies. Can you see that? And it's simple sentence. We have simply used the second form of verb like went, gave, posted, and invited and told. But for negative and interrogative, we have used the first form like go, give, post, invite, tell. So, first form is used in negative and interrogative after a did, and second form of verb is used for simple past indefinite tense. I hope this one is clear. If you have any kind of difficulty, you can ask me, and I'm here to guide you. I hope this one is clear. And for any other question, for any difficulty, you can ask me again. Take care of yourself. Goodbye, students.